Have you ever wondered why that bookshelf you put together feels more valuable than one you could have bought pre-assembled? Or why the meal you cooked from scratch tastes better than a restaurant's equivalent? This phenomenon, where we place a higher value on things we've partially created, is known as the IKEA effect. But how does this relate to achieving objectives and key results, or OKRs, in a business setting? The IKEA effect suggests that when people invest their time and effort into creating something, they develop a sense of pride and ownership. They value the end product more because they've had a hand in its creation. It's not just about assembling furniture or cooking meals. This psychological phenomenon extends to the business world as well. In the context of OKRs, the IKEA effect implies that when team members are involved in setting their objectives and key results, they're more likely to be committed to achieving them. They feel a sense of ownership, which in turn increases engagement and motivation. It's not just about meeting targets set by someone else, but about achieving goals that they've had a hand in defining. So, how can we use this effect to our advantage in a business setting? The key is to involve everyone in the OKR setting process. This doesn't mean a free-for-all where everyone sets their own goals without any guidance. Rather, it means fostering an environment where team members feel their input is valued and considered. When team members are involved in defining their OKRs, they're not just working towards a target. They're investing in an outcome that they've had a part in shaping. This can lead to increased motivation, higher levels of engagement, and ultimately, better results. In summary, the IKEA effect is a powerful psychological phenomenon that can be leveraged to enhance engagement and ownership in achieving OKRs within organizations. By involving team members in setting their OKRs, we can foster a sense of pride and ownership, leading to increased motivation and better results. So next time you're setting objectives and key results, remember the IKEA effect. It could be the key to unlocking your team's full potential. And there you have it, the power of the IKEA effect in achieving OKRs. Just as you might value that bookshelf you assembled yourself, so too can your team value the objectives and key results they've had a hand in creating. So don't just set the goals, build them together.